Okay, this is chapter 5, section 4, problem 3, second edition. Okay, if there are too many ticket passes on a flight, a person can volunteer to be bumped onto another flight. The volunteer bumping rates for large airlines, number of bumps per 10,000 passengers, January through September, are shown in the table for various years. That R would be the bumping rate, number of bumps per 10,000 at T years after 2000. Create a scattergram of the data. So they give us the data points here. So 2000 corresponds to 22, and these are our data points here. So make the graph smaller, but interested in the years after 2000. So 2000 corresponds to T equals 0, and 2005 corresponds to 2005 since it's years after 2000. And they plot these points here, and that's what the graph looks like. There. Then they say do a line of best fit. You can draw a line right through it. And it's your line of best fit. What is the R-intercept? You see the R is here. Here. So 0, 22 looks like. The R-intercept is located at 0.22. What does it mean? That means that in the year 2000, the bumping rate was 22. 22 per 10,000 passengers in the year 2000. Then they ask the question when implies time. So we look at when will the bumping rate be 2 bumps to 10,000. So we look at the table again. We see 1, 2. Go over here, you do it closer. You see 1 and 2. And it looks like it's at 8. So you can see the approach they took with it. They have the 2 here and they mark it over to where it crosses the function, and it crosses at 8. T equal to 8. So see how they drew that bar right across at 2. And you come to 8. What is the t-intercept? Okay. Where does the function cross the t-axis? Here at 9, t is 9, 0. So the t-intercept is at 9, 0. What it implies is that in that year, 9 years after, you can expect 0 bumping to occur, since that's not plausible, not possible. You have model breakdown has occurred. If you take into account here, we can only make accurate predictions within the range or the domain of the model. So going from 0 to 5, when you extrapolate beyond that, you may run into errors. The range of the data.